Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I am just going to be sharing with you my master bathroom. I have a couple of different ideas that I did around the bathroom. I'm not really going to do a lot of talking in this video. I'm going to let the music play, but if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in this video, let me know in the comments. And guys, if you like home decor, interior styling, and turning your house into a home, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on anything.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real.
Hey guys, I did a video a few weeks ago on how I decorated that shelf, and I'm going to get back to that in a minute. I'm going to show you everything that's up there, but if you go back to that video, I pretty much talk about everything that's up there. I have made a few changes, but for the most part, everything is the same. Just about everything up here on the shelf is from HOMEGOODS. The towels, all of the plum colored towels that you see around the bathroom are from Amazon. I'll make sure to put the links below, and I'll make sure to list where I got everything from. And as always, if you have any questions about anything you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments. Guys, it's been a while since I've done a video, but I am back on track now. I have been working so much. I've been working on my website where I will be doing e-designs, and they're going to be super affordable. So I'll let you know once it's ready, but it's going to be ready really, really soon. Right here, the soap sleeve and the soap are both from Bath and Body Works, and I absolutely love getting these. I think I have one on every sink now, but they really smell good. In the center here, I kept my tray. This tray has been here for a while, but I did put some greenery in this toothbrush holder because I don't put my toothbrushes out, and some makeup swabs in there. The vase in the middle is from Burlington, and I have eucalyptus in here, and it is in that plum color as well. And I did find that at Ross. It was very affordable. The mirrors are from Lowe's. The light fixtures are from Lowe's. The tile is from Lowe's. The faucets are also from Lowe's. And I did DIY the backsplash myself, but I don't have a video on it. Next time I do it, I will show a video of it.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't, it's the only way we know how to do it.
Guys, I think it's been about 3 years ago, I gel stained my cabinets. These cabinets used to be a honey oak color. I took the gel stain in the color Java and I gel stained it, and they have really held up well. No chips, no I haven't had to reapply it or anything. They are in perfect condition like when I first did it. So I highly recommend Gel Stain in the brand General Finishes. So guys, I want to thank you all for coming along with me, and I will see you in my next video.